Hello everyone, I am Yuvraj Yadav, a second year IT student of JSS Academy of Technical Education, representing my team Robinhoods from this hackathon. Coming to the problem statement, as we know in year 2022, the breathing air has reached to 500 to 600 AQI and the population has also increased to 1.4 billion. In this situation, our team has came up with an idea to build a website through which a person can find the best place with a better AQI and some less crowded area which are present around us. Do you remember an incident took place in Mahavashnu Devi in Jammu and Kashmir? On 1st January 2022, where a stampede occurred midnight in which a large number of people started running in the same direction because they were frightened or excited. Due to this, at least 12 people were killed and 15 were injured. Now let's see the implementation done by me and my team to solve this problem case.
Now we are in our computer screen. As you can see, I am using Replit to host my websites, as Replit has functionality to run codes in browser and also supporting more than 50 languages. In simple words, Replit is a powerful IDE, compiler and interpreter. Now moving to our site. So this is the landing page. At top you can see our nav bar in which there are tiny icons which is our project logo and a label attached Desfect, which means destination that is perfect for you. Now, at the right side, you can see there are three tabs: Home, Recommendation, and About Us. Let's move to the Home tab first. Now, at the home screen, you can see the title of our project, Desfect. We pick up the best choice among different places around you while assuring your safety and good health. Now, moving to next section, that is our service. This section tells us about our features that websites offer. That is by fetching the API data in real time. Now, moving down, we can see our recommendation section. This is the main highlight of our project, in which we are showing top 3 best places near you that you can visit. As you can see, our website says great choice for this location. That means it is a very great choice if you go to that location. This confirmation of the place is determined by our algorithm which we have written. Basically what it does, it fetches the data like weather, API, crowd, temperature, and based on that it lists top 3 places that is best for you. And now you can see there is a timeline which shows at what time user has updated this data so that it would be easier for the user to take decisions in real time. Now, moving on the next section, if a person is looking for some specific area, she has an option to search this place which he want to visit. Now, for example, you just want to hang out with your friends. So now you can search for that specific location in this search box. For example, I search Ambience Mall in this search box. Now, if we click on submit, the real-time data of the mall fetches. So to compare or to choose between the two choices, I will search another venue also. For example, I search Sarojini Nagar. Okay. Now see, the data of the both places is visible. Now we can easily differentiate, we can easily choose which is good for you. For example, the AQI of Ambience Mall is very less, like 183, and that of Sarojini Nagar is 214. And the data is real time. See, it is updated 3 hours 5 minutes ago, and this is updated 4 hours 6 minutes ago. Now, where the mall is located, the weather at that place is very clear. And on the contrary, the weather at Sarojini Nagar is haze, like it's cloudy, something. And the crowd is less in Ambience Mall, and it is very high in Sarojini Nagar. So we have designed this algo like on the basis of all these parameters, we get to a conclusion that going to Ambience Mall is a very great choice, and going to Sarojini Nagar is a bad choice, or you can say we have to avoid going to that place as there is high traffic, the pollution, the weather, and the crowd. And you can also see that this data is updated by a user named Shweta, and of that Sarojini Nagar it is updated by Rakhi Yadav. So these are users just like us. So they can update data in real time, and another user who is landing on the website can see the updated data. To submit the data, user can click on the submit button at the bottom right corner. Now, in the first field, user can write his name. For example, I will write my name Yash. And now the place name. For example, I write here Sarojini Nagar. And location, I will write Delhi. Now in the next option, in selecting crowd, we can select among various options present. Like if crowd is very less, we will select less option, normal, high or very high. This option will be selected on the basis of the crowd present there. So I will select high. Now user can also upload image of that place. As it is not a mandatory field, I will leave it for the time being. Now we will click on submit. So this data which we just submitted will be stored in our database. Now if any user searches for that place in the search box, that data will be displayed here, and should go thing will also be displayed according to our algorithm. Now moving further, this is how to use section. As I'm already demonstrating this project, I will not waste your time here. So moving further, this is our team section. This is me, Yash Tiwari, and this is Yuvraj Yadav, from whom you have already been introduced in the introduction section of this video. Now moving further, these are the footer like our contact info, etc. So this was all about our project. Thank you guys. This is Yash Tiwari signing off.